Many pregnant women expect Braxton Hicks contractions at this time of pregnancy, but the truth is, it's normal. All right, if having contractions at this stage of your pregnancy is normal, what exactly are the symptoms of pregnancy in week 22? While specific questions may differ depending on individual circumstances, there are several common questions that pregnant women might have around week 22, such as what are the common symptoms of pregnancy at week 22? How much weight should you have gained at week 22? What are the tips for managing backache and discomfort? Is it safe to travel at week 22? What are the precautions to take at 22 weeks of pregnancy? And lastly, what's happening to your baby? At week 22, you might experience a variety of symptoms such as backache, round ligament pain, increased vaginal discharge, and possibly some swellings on your feet and ankles. Newsflash, managing these discomforts can only be achieved by visiting the doctor. So don't do it yourself. How much weight should you gain by week 22? So I keep talking about weight gain and weight losses. So there are things you have to do to prevent it rather than trying to mend it. Weight gain during pregnancy varies from person to person. But from week 22, you might start to gain half a pound per week. However, putting on too much weight will affect your health and increase your blood pressure. And pregnancy obviously is not a time to go on a diet. And it's also important to eat healthy because gaining too much weight might result into complications in pregnancy. And these complications may include gestational diabetes, which is sugar in your blood while you're pregnant. Secondly, preeclampsia. A hike in your blood pressure is the first symptom of preeclampsia. So what do? Eat right. Eat the right quantity of food. Eat your food in little chunks and eat balanced diet. What are the tips to manage backaches? To achieve this, you have to first of all stretch your core muscles. Your lower back is under the stress of supporting your entire upper body. And scientific research shows that you're not the only one enjoying from this sweet session. Women who work out during pregnancy have babies who score high in general intelligence tests done at age 4. I wonder how that happens, but it's the research, it's scientific research, and it is true. So working out has a way of helping your baby too. So you're not the only person benefiting from this. Another thing that I know that helps a baby's brain is fenugreek and fennel. If you're able to take those two while you're breastfeeding your baby will be smart. So stretch daily, avoid sitting in poor postures, lift correctly. Don't just lift with your whole back. Lift with your hand and stand up. You lift with your hand and you stand up. You don't go lifting with your hand and your back together. You'll be hurting yourself. Finally, reduce pressure on your back when you sleep. If you can adopt the use of pillows to support yourself, please do so. And if you can get this kind of pregnancy or maternity pillows that you can get on Amazon, you can also do so. It's going to help you a lot. Is it safe to travel at 22 weeks of pregnancy? I do not like to travel whenever I'm pregnant. But if you must travel, your second trimester is the best time to travel. And that is provided you aren't facing any complications. If you are considering a trip, then you have to consult your doctor. That being said, the best time to travel is 14th to the 28th week of pregnancy. What are the precautions you should take at 22 weeks of pregnancy? As far as exercises are concerned, do not exercise to the point of exhaustion. Avoid raising your body temperature too high. Consult your midwife to find out the kind of exercises that you might be engaging in. You'll be needing some pelvic floor exercises and abdominal exercises. So your midwife should be able to tell you the kind of exercises and stretches you should be doing. In most cases, pregnant women may not have issues with traveling, but traveling may not be recommended for you if you have complications. And you know how fragile a pregnant woman can be. Anything can complicate anything. So be careful. Just limit yourself between 14 to 28 weeks. But if you feel you're strong enough to move around, make sure you visit your doctor, get a permission. Be sure you have Struck every T and dot every I's before you travel. Number 3 is sex. Sex cannot affect your baby in any way, except there are complications too. Your baby is already protected by strong uterine muscles, amniotic fluid, and mucus, so your baby is safe. Sex will not affect your pregnancy in any way. So what's happening to your baby at week 22? Your baby's arms and body are much more proportionate with the head, and this will stay that way until the baby is born. So you have a full baby at week 22. Your baby's fingernails are starting to grow, as well as the palm. The line on the palm of your baby's hand is beginning to show. These patterns on the arms are unique to everyone, especially your baby, and it will stay that way till your baby grows up and up until your baby's lifetime. Your baby is now 27.9 centimeters and 0.45 kg. That's amazing. The growth that you've experienced in pregnancy cannot be described. That'll be all for now. I'll see you in week 23. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. It helps this channel a lot. Share this video and give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and we'll see you in week 23. Bye-bye.